The following is an excerpt from a recent credit line banking webinar. Well, I tell you, thank you everybody for participating, and it's pretty obvious. We all agree that this is how it works. And we're all in agreement that this is not to our benefit. This is to everybody else's benefit. So let's take a look at why credit line banking provides more benefit than traditional banking. And remember, we're just changing the flow of the money when we're a credit line banker. So income will still go into a checking account. Our bills will still get paid from a checking account, but from the interim, during the interim, we're going to use our line of credit as our little vault. Okay, instead of it going to the bank vault, it's going to our vault. Now you see this dotted white line. Now assume that that's our balance on our line of credit. We've maxed it out. All right. So when we're a credit line banker, knowing that the higher the balance, the more interest we pay, we're going to take our income and we're going to do the same thing the banks do. We're going to leverage our income against that balance to reduce that balance, because we know the lower the balance, the lower interest we pay. So we're going to use our income to suppress that balance. And because it's a line of credit, the revolving door, we can take our money back out at our leisure on bill pay day, back to the checking account, and redistribute our income back into the economy. We're just going to do it on our terms and not everybody else's. And at the end of the month, if we reconcile, income went in minus our expenses, that leaves us what we call here at Truth and Equity surplus. Positive cash flow, discretionary income, it's got all sorts of names. But in Truth and Equity, we're looking for that surplus number because that's the accelerant. That dictates how fast we're going to pay off this debt. And if we go back to our line of credit, our balance was at the very top. At the end of the month, it's down here. So the difference between this new month-end balance line and the beginning of the month balance, the difference is our surplus and how much we paid back on a monthly basis. So this is the 10,000 foot view of what your life would look like as a credit line banker. Still going to use a checking account. We're just not going to house our money because we know we can get benefit if we push it into that line of credit, and we know we can go get what we need to pay our bills whenever we need it because we have the revolving door. It's really as simple as this. So let's go take a look at some numbers and see what the benefit is. If you would like to learn more about credit line banking, please visit truthinequity.com/contact and schedule a call. Come see what you can accomplish as a credit line banker.